I remember when you warned me. You said labour's cuts would haunt me, taking lifeblood from the fields that feed this land. And in their suits they sit and wonder while we graft out in the thunder. I'm holding on with weathered, calloused hands, and I'm still praying for my brothers, gone to silence like no others, who fought this fight but couldn't stand the pain. Through their debt and endless sorrow, some don't make it till tomorrow. They're the ones who bear the weight of starless shame. Well, this weight of life is heavy on my heart, and the work is hard, but losing them tears me apart. And we'll carry that pain down every country road. They say hard work makes diamonds. Why the hell are we still stoned? Well, they don't know the life we're living, or the hell that we've been given. Well, they try dictating Parliament's fine halls, but we won't just keep our silence. We're prepared to raise defiance, with tractors rolling, answering the call. This weight of life is heavy on my heart, and the work is hard, but losing them tears me apart. And we'll carry that pain down every country road. They say hard work makes diamonds. Why the hell are we still stoned? So Clarkson's speaking up now, calling out, 'cause we're fed up now. Stand and fight for land that should be ours to keep. With our hands in soil and sorrow, for a brighter farm tomorrow. We're the backbone of society, and without us there's no food to eat. So here's to those who bore the cost, and all the friends and kin we've lost to policies that try to steal what we've sown. We'll raise a glass to those who've fallen in the fields, we hear them calling. With strength, we'll keep their names carved in stone. Well, this weight of life weighs heavy on my heart, and the work is hard, but losing them tears me apart. And we'll carry that pain down every country road. They say hard work makes diamonds. Why the hell are we still stoned?